A billion-dollar tanker meant to refuel the sky, but its boom couldn't even stay steady. Who's responsible? The KC-46 was Boeing's modern promise, a next-gen tanker for the U.S. Air Force. But soon after delivery, pilots reported a dangerous flaw. The refueling boom was too stiff. Smaller aircraft couldn't connect safely. In mid-air refueling, inches mean life or death. Engineers found that the boom design added too much resistance, a mechanical miscalculation. Fixing it meant redesigning key systems at taxpayer cost. By 2020, the KC-46 had over 600 technical issues logged, yet production continued. When defense meets dollars, precision isn't the only thing that bends. Should accountability be grounded too? Comment below.